This is a demonstration video on installing and uninstalling application softwares. So I'm going to use an example application software. I'll be downloading Opera and installing it on this system and then uninstalling it. So firstly, I'm going to type in, bear with me one moment, ask me later. I'm going to type in at the top of the URL download Opera. That's what I'm going to type. Which is also an internet browser. So I'm going to click the download, the first link, and I'm going to click download now. And soon there should be a pop-up which I'm looking for. Now it's downloaded, so I'm going to click run, and I'm going to click run again because we're just confirming it. I'm going to now click run and install. So now it's downloading the Opera onto the system. It's asking me whether I want to add on the web browser site. I'm going to click no. It's now going to install the actual Opera application, which is an internet browser. It's an alternative to Internet Explorer. So we have to wait till that installs. So now you can see at the bottom of the page that the Opera has installed. The shortcut has been placed beneath the page. And now it has successfully opened. So this is how you install an application software. So now I'm going to teach you how to uninstall an application software. So you're going to click start, then you're going to go to control panel, then you have to go to programs where the application lists will be. Obviously Opera is the only one there, so I'm going to click Opera, and then I'm going to click uninstall. Yes, I'm going to uninstall Opera. So now Opera has been uninstalled from the system. Opera has been successfully uninstalled. So that's my video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for listening to my video.